Okay, well, we're here. We made it. This was a huge program for us, and to have the car here complete, the result of hours and weeks and months of work on the part of lots of people, it feels great. It's kind of the rebirth of this iconic car that today you can only really see in a museum or in someone's collection. I would say in my lifetime, I've never seen a Boss 429 in the wild, just driving down the street. Now we can actually do that. We're going to create these cars that they really respect the heritage of the original car. Is it the same? No, it's not the same. It keeps that image and the style, but it completely upgrades the functionality, the technology to a modern level. I think it really respects the historical significance of the Boss, and we recognize the significance of what we're doing.
They really said that this is like a next level resto mod, or might not even be a resto mod. This is like too OEM, too well thought out. It's not like just aftermarket bundled together. It's like really, really well thought out car. And this is like maybe the next phase of this whole classic meets modern technology industry that has been a trend for the past 10, 15 years, but this is like the next level.
This was the first time we did a vehicle reveal at a major international auto show, so that was kind of neat. The LA show is one of a handful of shows on the calendar that really attracts international media. The reach is potentially pretty large. This is a huge announcement for us. It's really big news, and it really warranted this level of attention.
LA Auto Show is obviously one of the most largest auto show in the world. It will allow us for more visibility and brand awareness and exposure. I thought that will be the best place. The Boss project really pushed us through to go to the next level in terms of team bonding. And I think we did a really good job communication-wise, team spirit that grew more and more. I'm hearing a lot of our employees really excited about this project, and that was something that I never really realized, that a challenging project will bring the team together. I'm really looking forward to it, whatever the next project is, that as a company I think it will be really more successful.
I'm a production manager. The next project will come, right, and all that. But yeah, to see that that as a company that we successfully took the Boss all the way through, and then it's going to go to some fancy show to show the world. Yeah, it's amazing. I tell people it wasn't that I did it; the people on the floor did it. So I'm more happy for them. And when we walked through, it's like, hey, yeah, you did it.
The team did it. The team is responsible for the outcome. Really, all I did was get them together and try to point them in the right direction. But they did the work.
I really appreciate how our employees really care about our company and our product, and they have pride to make the car great every day. We build over 320 cars to date, and we have over 44 repeated clients. That really means a lot. I think that is because not just that we build a great product, but like the team is really into what we do, and we care about it. The Boss is like a result of that. We have this tagline called "We're part of your journey." We want to be part of our client's journey, where whenever they succeed in something by owning a Revology, will be their sort of a milestone. When you deliver the car and hear smile and excitement, and the whole family is happy and sending me pictures, and that just is a great feeling. We're just going to continue doing that, building interesting, cool cars that is reliable, comfortable, and you're just don't have to worry about it. And I just want to make clients happy forever.
There's a lot of things about the Boss that excites me, because it really reflects everything that we have learned and everything that we're able to do to date. It is really the symbol of what our future looks like. Boss is not an ending point. It's really a starting point.